Everyone thinks the best-selling food processor is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Chopper. First up, we have the Hamilton Beach 3-Cup Electric Vegetable Chopper. This compact chopper stands out with its 350 watts of power and a unique stack and press design that caught my eye. At a price point that's easy on the wallet, if you want a simple, effective tool for quick chopping, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The stack and press design means no complicated assembly. Just press the lid to chop and release to stop. Super easy. It's perfect for dicing onions or making purees without the fuss. With a 3-cup capacity, it's just right for everyday tasks. Plus, the stainless steel blades are durable enough to handle tough ingredients like nuts and herbs. This model has all...
Product number 2, Ninja Professional Plus. Next up is the Ninja Professional Plus food processor. With a powerful 1,000 watts and a spacious 9-cup bowl, it's designed to handle a variety of tasks easily. If you want effortless food prep with advanced features, this is definitely worth considering. This model features Auto IQ technology, which means it has preset programs for chopping, slicing, pureeing, and even mixing dough with just one touch. Imagine not having to guess what setting to use for each task. The precision blades ensure everything is evenly processed, and it's great for making large batches, whether it's a family dinner or meal prep for the week. It's already gained a good reputation, with over 3,000 units sold recently. Now, some users mentioned that it can be a bit bulky on the counter. I'll be real with you, if you have limited space, that might be a deal breaker. But for anyone who loves cooking and needs power and efficiency, this is a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you often cook large meals or enjoy baking. Skip this one if counter space is at a premium. For a food processor with this much power and capability, it's a solid investment. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want versatile functions. Product number 3, Hamilton Beach 10-Cup Food Processor. Here's the Hamilton Beach food processor and vegetable chopper boasting a 10-cup capacity. This one really caught my attention with its built-in bowl scraper and powerful 450 watts of motor. If you want something that makes meal prep less of a hassle, this is worth a serious look. The built-in bowl scraper is a game changer. You can process ingredients without stopping to scrape down the sides, saving you time and effort. With 2 versatile attachments, you can easily slice, shred, chop, and mix. Plus, the large feed chute means less prep time, since you won't have to chop everything into tiny pieces before processing. It's already sold over 3,000 units, proving it's popular among home cooks. Now, some folks noted that it might be slightly noisy. Here's the thing though, many food processors can be loud, especially when they're powerful. If you're sensitive to noise, keep that in mind, but the efficiency could be worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile processor that saves you time. Skip this one if noise is a significant issue for you. For its price, it provides excellent performance. Now, if the noise of the Hamilton Beach processor concerns you, let's check out a model that's known for its power and features.
Product number 4, Hamilton Beach Stack and Snap Food Processor. With a 450 watt motor and a simple assembly process, this one makes food prep a breeze. If you're looking for a reliable kitchen companion that can handle larger jobs, this might be the one. The 12-cup bowl capacity is fantastic for bigger batches, so if you're meal prepping or hosting, you'll appreciate the room. The big mouth chute lets you toss in whole veggies like potatoes without the hassle of cutting them down first. Plus, the suction cup feet keep it stable while you work. It's another model that's gained traction, selling over 3,000 units recently. Now, some buyers mentioned that it could be challenging to clean if food gets stuck around the blades. Here's the thing though, with careful usage and proper cleaning right after use, it's manageable. For many, the pros outweigh this minor con. This is perfect for you if you often cook for families or gatherings. Skip this one if you want a small, compact processor. Considering its capacity and features, it's a great value. All right, that brings us to our last pick, which is a powerhouse.
Product number 5, Cuisinart 14-Cup Food Processor. Finally, let's talk about the Cuisinart food processor. This 14-cup model features a 720-watt motor and is designed for serious food prep. If you want a top-tier processor that can do it all, this is worth the investment. The range of functions is impressive. It can chop, shred, knead dough, and puree. The large feed tube accommodates various sizes, and it includes multiple accessories for different tasks, which means you're set for any recipe. With a solid reputation and over 2,000 units sold recently, it's trusted by many home chefs. Now, some users pointed out it's on the pricier side compared to others. Here's the thing. If you're looking for something that can handle heavy usage and offers top-notch performance, the investment might be justified. It's built to last and comes with a warranty that speaks to its quality. This is perfect for you if you want a professional-grade processor for serious cooking. Skip this one if you're looking for something budget-friendly. For those who prioritize quality, it's a worthwhile purchase. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the Hamilton Beach 3-cup chopper for small tasks, the Ninja Professional Plus for powerful performance, the Hamilton Beach 10-cup for versatility, the Stack and Snap for easy assembly, and the Cuisinart for high-end features. Each has its strengths, so it really comes down to your cooking style and needs.